Did you know that simply adding more fruits and veggies to your meals can lower your risk of heart disease by up to 30%? It's easier than you think to make healthier choices. Eating a healthy diet is one of the most important things we can do for our overall well-being. A well-balanced diet provides our bodies with the nutrients and fuel we need to function properly, and it plays a huge role in maintaining our energy levels, mood, and even our physical appearance. We all know that eating healthy can be tough, especially with the convenience of processed and fast foods. These foods are often easy to grab and go, and they're usually pretty affordable too. But the problem is, they can be really bad for us in the long run. They're often high in unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, which can lead to a range of health problems. So, what can we do to eat healthier? One easy tip is to start meal prepping. Set aside one day a week to plan and prepare your meals for the next few days. This can help you avoid relying on convenience foods and ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need. Another tip is to try to incorporate more fruits and veggies into your meals. Aim for at least 5 servings a day, and try to include a variety of different colors on your plate to get a range of nutrients. Reading food labels is also a great way to make healthier choices. Take a few minutes to scan the ingredients and nutrition facts on the back of the package. Look for foods that are low in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats, and choose options that are high in fiber and protein. And don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Try new recipes and experiment with different flavors and ingredients to find healthy foods that you actually enjoy. By making a few small changes to our diets, we can have a big impact on our health. A healthier diet can help boost our energy levels, improve our mood, and even reduce our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. And it's not just about how we feel in the short term. A healthy diet can also have long-term benefits, like reducing our risk of age-related diseases and improving our overall quality of life. Over time, a healthier diet can also help us feel more confident and in control of our health. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods, we can feel more energized, focused, and prepared to take on whatever life throws our way. And that's a pretty amazing feeling. As a nutritionist once said, "The food you eat can either be the safest form of medicine or the slowest form of poison." It's a pretty powerful reminder of just how important our diet is to our overall health. In conclusion, making healthier dietary choices is easier than you think, and it's worth it in the long run. By incorporating a few simple tips into your daily routine, like meal prepping, reading food labels, and getting creative in the kitchen, you can take control of your health and feel more energized, focused, and confident. So start making those small changes today. Your body will thank you. If you're looking for more healthy tips and recipes, be sure to check out our next video on healthy meal ideas. And if you've got your own favorite healthy habits, share them with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you and can't wait to see what you're working on.